Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. As usual, we're going to do a multiple time frame analysis for the Bitcoin. However, in this episode, we're going to also discuss AXS and then audio target prices with the entry levels. Before we start, I've got a small request as usual. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Let's start from AXS. About 12 hours ago, as you can see, that I shared this AXS chart. That based on this chart, the price action to come all the way to this support level. And we're going to see what happened since then. For market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. As you can see, that the price action was literally above the support box 12 hours ago. And perfectly, we came inside this support and then we started pumping a bit. We might test again this support. It depends the lower time frames. If we're going to get a bullish signal, so we can send all the way up to this target number 1. However, as you saw, I provided only target number 1, and then we've got 2 more targets that I added just now. Once we're going to reach to target number 1, if there is an urgent update, any change, I will make an update, as I said, via Twitter. So bear in your mind, at this stage, we are targeting from the support. Let's take it from the upper level. We're expecting over 30% profit. Let's move on to BTC weekly time frame. As soon as we came to this level at around 48 and 48.5, which I mentioned in the previous videos, that's a very important level. However, we exited after we broke 42,000 and 42,500 levels. We exited from the consolidation level based on a weekly time frame. However, we've got very important heavy resistance above us. That's going to be at around 48,000 and 52,000 levels based on a higher time frame. So as you can see, we're just a bit struggling to break that level. Moving on to a daily time frame. As I said in the previous video, that daily time frame in this region, we are in consolidation based on a daily time frame. Without breaking and claiming as a support this $51,000, $52,000, it's going to be so early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. As I said, we're in a consolidation level and a bearish scenario, which is very early for us to talk about at this stage. As long as we're going to be above $43,000 and $41,000, the daily time frame will be on this level. So without losing $41,000 and $43,000, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bearish scenario based on a daily time frame, a 4-hour time frame. If you are following me on this channel for some time, now we had a main and important, the major support level, which it held twice, as you remember, and then based on a swing, mid-time frame, as soon as we broke $40,000, claim it as a support, and then the next level was a $41,000. Since then, we had a 20% pump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage with a 10 times 200%, 5 times 100% in the last 10 days. As you can see how the white line, which is a smart money, broke and retested it, the upper line of this system. And since then, we started flying all the way up to $48,000. Based on a mid and lower time frame, we can see that the price action started printing higher highs. However, on the oscillator, we saw a decline, which is a bear divergence based on, as I said, mid and lower time frame. As a result, we are getting nearly from the lower line of this strong resistance. These levels we've been following in the last nearly 2 months. However, I added this local support. At the same time, this level as well, as long as we're going to be above this local support, then we might test the resistance. However, as I said, this resistance is quite strong. As long as we're going to be above 44,200 and 43,000 levels, above this support, 4-hour will still remain under the bull's control. 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame, we can see clearly a bear divergence. 2-hour time frame still under the bull's control. However, bulls started getting slightly weak, and I'm expecting to test the local support all the way at the upper line of this support. As soon as we lose this local support, then 2-hour will be under the consolidation. Before we move on to audio price action, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. I'm going to make it quite short, this audio price action. As you can see, as soon as we rejected right from 125, 126 level. We had a decent correction in the market, and that took since 19th of March all the way up today. So where I posted literally right inside the support, and we pumped a bit, we came again right back into the support, and then we had another pump, retested perfectly the upper line of the support. Since then we started pumping. So I warned that on the 28th of March that I was saying that they are buying audio. So I'm expecting target number one is going to be around 160 and 165. However, I put it, as you can see, 3 stars. Now I will make an update. As I said, urgent updates will be via Twitter, so you can follow for the updates. At this stage, I will keep an eye on to this target number one. And it depends how long that will take us to reach to the target number one. If we're going to reach within 24 to 48 hours, then we might have a chance. But as I said, I'm not giving specific time. It depends how fast, as I said, we're going to reach to the target level. If we're going to measure from the support, I'm expecting return on investment about 50% all the way up to 80%. However, as I said, at this stage, I'm going to target the target price number one. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.